Online class. In the last class, third chapter linear equation in one variable was completed. Now the next chapter, that is third chapter, is quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Already we learned in 7th class what are quadrilaters and types of quadrilaters and properties of quadrilaterals. In this class, we have to introduce those concepts. Okay, students. This is a figure of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is the first closed figure. It is a closed figure, not open. It is closed figure. In this figure, having four sides. AB is one side, BC is second side, CD is third side, and AD is fourth side. Those are four sides. A quadrilateral having four sides. First point, a quadrilateral having four sides. What are four sides? AB side, BC side, CD side, and DA or AD. These are four sides. Now the next one is and four vertices. Four vertices A, B, C, D. Now next point is four vertices. Four vertices. That is A, angle CDA and angle BAB. How many angles formed, students? Four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Four angles. Four angles. What are those? Angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA, angle DAB. Okay, students, these are four properties of quadrilateral. First, it is a closed figure. Next, it having four sides. Next, it having four vertices. And now, four angles. Now, the next one is angle A and C are opposite vertices. Angle A, angle C. And another one, angle B, D. Those vertices are opposite. Now the line joining opposite vertices. Now the line joining of opposite vertices is called the diagonal. Is called the diagonal. Now the next diagonal is what are opposite vertices? B and D. Now a line joining these opposite vertices BD is called another diagonal. In a quadrilateral, two diagonals are formed. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonals. Now next one. Two diagonals are formed. What are those? AC and BD, AC and BD. Okay, students. Now, next one is adjacent side. Next one is adjacent. So, what are adjacent sides? In adjacent side, having a common vertex. Suppose I take vertex B. So, in this vertex, the adjacent sides are BC is one and AB is another. AB and BC are adjacent sides. So in this adjacent side, common vertex is B. Common vertex is B. Now we take a common vertex DC. Now we take another common vertex A. The adjacent sides are AB and AD. Those are the adjacent sides. Next, adjacent angles. Next topic is adjacent angles. In this adjacent angles, a common side. Suppose we take AD is one side. AD is one side. In this side, common angles, adjacent angles, angle A, angle D. These common side adjacent angles are A and D are formed. Now we take adjacent. Now we take a side CD. In the common side, the adjacent angles angle D and angle C are formed. Now we take BC is a common side. In this side, adjacent angles are B and C are formed. Now we take another common side AB. In this AB, the adjacent angles A and B. The adjacent angles A and B are formed. Now the next side AD. The side of AD, opposite side is BC. Next CD, opposite side is AB. Now opposite angles. Angle A, opposite angle is angle C. Angle B, opposite angle is angle D. Okay students, this is the introduction of quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is first, it is a closed figure. Next, it have four sides. It have four sides. What are four? AB, BC, CD and DA. Next, four vertices. A, B, C, D. Next, four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now the opposite vertices. We take opposite vertices AC. We draw a line AC. It formed a diagonal. It formed a diagonal. Now the another diagonal is BD. Now the another diagonal is BD. Okay students? Quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. First one is parallelogram. Okay students, look at this picture. It is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. A definition of parallelogram: a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. In this picture, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides. What is AB opposite side? CD. AB, CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. Now the another side, BC. The BC opposite side is AD. Those two are parallel. So in this parallelogram, two pairs are parallel. Two pairs are parallel. Two pairs are parallel. What are? AB and CD is one pair and BC and AD is another pair. Okay students, once the definition of parallelogram is, and very important, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. So in this parallelogram, two pairs, ABCD is one pair and BCAD is another pair. These two pairs are parallel in parallelogram. Now the properties of parallelogram: opposite sides are equal. Here AB opposite side is CD. Suppose the side of AB is 4 cm. Now the side of BC is also 4 cm. This is property very important. Opposite sides equal. Opposite sides equal. Suppose we take the side of BC is 5 cm. Now the AD is also 5 cm. But why? Because the opposite sides are equal. So we take AD value is 5. Okay students? Now the second one is opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angle is C. Now angle B, opposite angle is D. Suppose angle A is 60 degrees, then automatically angle C value is also 60 degrees. Why? Because in this parallelogram opposite angles are equal. That's why I take angle C equal to 60. Okay students. Now angle D is 120 degrees. We take angle D is 120 degrees. Then the angle B value is also 120 degrees. Why? Angle D opposite angle is angle B. So the angles are equal in parallelogram. Now the third one, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals AC and BD bisects each other. Suppose AC diagonal is 12 centimeter. Suppose we take AC diagonal is 12 centimeter. So in this midpoint, here we take the intersecting point is O. Here AO is definitely 6 centimeters and OC is 6 centimeters. This is bisect each other. Now we take BD is 8 centimeters. Here OD is 4 centimeter and OB is 4 centimeter. Bisect each other. So in this parallelogram, diagonals, those diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other. Okay students. Once again the properties of parallelogram. Here first opposite sides are equal. Next opposite angles are equal. And very important one, diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other. Okay students, are you understand parallelogram? So in a parallelogram, two opposite pairs are parallel. So in this parallelogram, two pairs are parallel. Next, trapezium. Next, I go for trapezium. So look at this board. Students, this is a trapezium figure. So in this figure, AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. So in this trapezium, only one pair are parallel sides. Only one pair. In a parallelogram, two pairs are parallel. Here trapezium only one pair. Only one opposite pair is parallel. That is AB and CD. Okay students, it's very important. A quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. Only one pair of parallel sides is a trapezium. Here the properties of trapezium. The sum of two adjacent angles is supplementary. Adjacent angles. Already we know what are adjacent angles. A common side. Suppose we take a common side AB. The angles, adjacent angles A and B. Angle A and B. Angle A and angle B. The sum of these two angles is supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. The sum of two angles is 180 degrees is called the supplementary. Okay students, in a trapezium only one pair is parallel and the adjacent angles, the sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. These two concepts are very important. Okay students, next one is rhombus. Next one is rhombus. Already parallelogram properties and definition already we will learn. In a parallelogram, two opposite pairs are equal. Two opposite pairs are equal. But here, rhombus, a parallelogram with four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. Four sides are equal length. Suppose AB4, we take AB 4 centimeters, then BC is 4 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeter, and AD is also 4 centimeter. All sides are equal length. Now the properties, all parallelogram properties are belongs to this rhombus. Opposite sides are equal, and next opposite angles also equal. Here an important property, it diagonals BD and AC. These two diagonals perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular. Look at this board, students. These two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. It is very, very important. In a parallelogram, only bisect each other. Only bisect. In a parallelogram, okay students, once we look at the board. In a parallelogram, only bisect. Diagonals are only bisect, not perpendicular. But here rhombus perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Now next one is rectangle, students. In a rectangle, almost parallelogram properties also same. Here an angle is, right angle is formed. Suppose in a parallelogram a right angle is formed, it is called a rectangle. Parallelogram right angle kanaka form aithe ade rectangle avutundi students. Right angle formed. A parallelogram with a right angle. Same parallelogram properties all comes to rectangle. Opposite sides AB, CD are equal, and another opposite side AD, BC is equal. Here all angles are equal. All are right angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Right angles 90 degrees. And opposite angles also equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equals. Here diagonals AC, BD. Here same diagonals bisect each other. Only bisect, not perpendicular, students. Only bisect, not formed a right angle here. Only bisect each other, and the diagonals are equal. AC, BD are equal. The length of the diagonals are equal in a rectangle. Students, in a rectangle. Suppose the length of the diagonal AC is, we take 12 centimeters, then automatically BD is also 12 centimeters. These properties are very, very important after solving a problems. So, in this rectangle, diagonals are equal. So, in a rectangle, right angle, four sides, four corners, right angle are formed. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And now the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. And also, the length of the diagonals also equal. Okay, students. Next quadrilateral is square. Next one is square. So here AB, CD is a square. In this square, four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. AB equal to, BC equal to, CD equal to, DA. Four sides are equal. And now formed four angles is right angle. Four angles are right angle. equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, that equal to 90 degrees. 4 angles are right angle. Here AC is diagonal and BD is another diagonal. In this square, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Okay, students, this is very important properties of square. In a square, 4 sides are equal and 4 angles are found at right angles, that is 90 degrees, and the diagonals are perpendicular, bisect each other, and the length of the diagonals are equal. Now the next one. See the figure, students. Already we well know this figure. Kite. It is a kite. So in this kite, 2 consecutive sides are equal. Here AB consecutive side is AD. These are equal. Now the BC consecutive side is CD. These sides are equal. These sides are equal. Here a quadrilateral ABCD with exactly 2 pairs. One pair is ABAD and another pair is BCCD. 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides. Equal consecutive sides. Consecutive. Pakka pakkana. Consecutive sides are equal sides. Here the diagonals AC and BD are perpendicular. AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Here one of the diagonal. If you take any diagonal, one of the AC or BD, one of the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Okay, students, these are the properties of kite. Okay, students, in this session, what is quadrilateral and the types of quadrilateral we'll learn. Now the next one is how to construct a quadrilateral. How to construct a quadrilateral. Here we construct a quadrilateral. We need 5 independent measurements are needed. 5 measurements are needed to construct a triangle. మనకు 5 మెజర్మెంట్స్ కావాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ కోఆర్డినేటర్ను డ్రా చేయాలంటే మనకు 5 మెజర్మెంట్స్ కావాలి. ఆ 5 మెజర్మెంట్స్ కూడా ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో ఉంటాయి, ఎలాంటివి ఇస్తే మనము ఒక యూనిక్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ను కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాము అంటే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 4 sides and 1 angle. 4 sides 1 angle. 4 sides ఒక యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూనిక్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ గీయగలుగుతాం. లేదా నెక్స్ట్ when 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides 1 diagonal, we draw a unique quadrilateral. In this situation we draw a quadrilateral. Now the third one is when 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So in this situation we need 3 sides and 2 diagonals. We draw a unique quadrilateral. Now the fourth one is 2 adjacent sides. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. 2 adjacent sides, 3 angles. 2, 3, 5. In any situation we need 5 independent measurements were required for constructing a quadrilateral. Now the fifth one is when 3 sides and 2 included angles. 3 sides, 2 included angles are given. These 5 situations we draw a unique quadrilateral. It's very important, students. First a construction of quadrilateral, we need 5 independent measurements. We need how many measurements we need to draw a quadrilateral? 5 measurements. Those are in which situations? 3 sides, 1 angle is given, and now the second one is 4 sides, 1 diagonal. Now the third one 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Now fourth one 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. The last situation is 3 sides and 2 included angles. 3 sides and 2 included angles. These 5 situations we draw a unique quadrilateral. This is very important, students. Okay students, we draw a quadrilateral. We need 5 minimum independent measurements. In first situation we have 4 sides and 1 angle is given. Here 4 sides are AB equal to 5.5 cm, BC equal to 3.5 cm, CD equal to 4 cm and AD equal to 5 cm, and finally an independent angle, angle A equal to 60 degrees. Okay students, first we draw a rough diagram of given measurements. Here we take 4 sides, we take any one as base, whatever it may be. We take AB side or BC or CD or AD. In this problem, I take AB is base side. I take AB is base side. First, we draw a rough diagram of given measurements. Here AB equal to 5.5 and BC equal to 3.5, CD equal to 4 cm and AD equal to 5 cm, and a common angle AB and AD is 60 degrees. Okay students, first we draw a base side AB equal to 5.5 cm. We take a ruler, AB as 5.5 centimeters. Here we mark a index on 0 and we take 5.5. We mark A and B. We draw a line joining AB is 5.5 centimeters. Now an angle is 60 degrees. In this angle 60 degrees we take a protractor or compass. But in this 8th class we use only compass. Already we learned in 7th class how to put an angle by using a protractor. And also we learn how to draw a angle by using compass. Next we make an angle 60 degrees. We take any radius. We draw an arc. Now we not change this radius. We draw another arc. These two arcs intersect. We draw a ray. We draw a ray and make an angle is 60 degrees. This way is only by using compass, students. Not using protractor, only compass using. Now the other side BC, we take the sides clockwise direction, either anti-clockwise direction. Suppose A, B, C, D. This is anti-clockwise direction. Now we take A, B, C, D. This is clockwise direction. But don't we take here C, here D. This is not a right way. We take either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Next, B and C side is 3.5 centimeters. Okay students, we take a compass, 3.5 centimeter radius. We draw a arc 3.5 centimeters. Arc 3.5 centimeters. Next here, the side of AD is 5 centimeters. We take a ruler and take 5 centimeter as radius. We take a 5 centimeter and draw a arc 5 centimeters. We put a point on these two intersecting lines is D. We put a point is D. Now here D and C side is 4 centimeters. We take an arc is 4 centimeter. We put an indicator in D and draw an arc of 4 centimeters. Here an intersecting point is C. Here an intersecting point is C. Now a joining a line BC and CD. BC and CD. BC and CD. Here the side of BC is 3.5 centimeters and the side of AD is 5 centimeters. Now last side is CD is 4 centimeters. Okay students, this is our required quadrilateral. Okay students, first we take any one as base side. I take AB side is base. Here AB is 5.5 centimeters. First we draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeters. Next we draw an angle 60 degrees. Students, we not draw an angle 60 degrees. We did not take protractor. In this lesson we using only compass. We using only compass. First we take any radius. First we take what it may be. We take any radius. We draw an arc. Now the intersecting line segment, here we locate this rounder. We did not change that radius. We again draw an arc. These two intersecting arcs, we put a point. We put a point. An angle is formed, that is 60 degrees. Now AD side is 5 centimeters. We take a ruler and measure 5 centimeters and draw an arc of 5 centimeters. The intersecting line, we put a point on D. Now we take a side of CD, that is 4 centimeters. Same again we draw an arc and BC we again draw an arc, BC arc 3.5 centimeter. These 4 and 3.5 centimeters arcs intersect a point. That point is C. Here all sides are joining. Finally we construct the required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay students, after completion of this quadrilateral, finally we write the construction steps. How to draw this construction, we write in your own words. Okay students? Okay students, first situation, 4 sides and 1 angle is given. Now the second one is 4 sides and 1 diagonal. In this situation, how to construct a quadrilateral, in this session we discuss it. Here 4 sides are AB is 4.5 centimeters, BC is 5.5 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters, AD is 6 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeters. Okay students, we need 5 measurements. We draw a quadrilateral. Here 5 measurements are there: AB, BC, CD, DA and AC. These 4 are sides: AB, BC, CD, DA, and another one AC is a diagonal. Okay students, 5 measurements are there. So we draw a unique quadrilateral by using these 5 measurements. First of all, we draw a rough diagram. First, we draw a rough diagram. We take a vertices A, B, C, D. Here AB is 4.5 centimeters. Next BC is 5.5 centimeters. CD is 4 centimeters. And AD is 6 centimeters. So a diagonal is formed, the line joining between two opposite vertices. Here A, C. These two are opposite sides. We draw a line joining AC. It's formed a diagonal. Here AC is 7 centimeters. Okay students, in this quadrilateral, two triangles are formed. Here it is one triangle ABC. Here another triangle, that is ADC. Okay students, in a quadrilateral, the diagonal divide into two triangles. One is ABC and another one is ADC. Okay students, first we draw a diagonal. It is base for these two triangles. Here ABC, AC is a base, and ADC, AC is base. So we take AC is base. Here AC is 7 centimeters. We take AC. We put a point 0 and another point is 7. We draw a line segment of these 2 points. Make a point here A and B. It is 7 centimeters. Okay students, AC is 7 centimeters. Okay. Next, the side of AD is 6 centimeters. The side of AD is 6 centimeters. We take a ruler and measure 6 centimeter radius. Okay students, we draw an arc of 6 centimeters. We draw an arc of 6 centimeters. Here, now the point is C. Here the side of CD is 4 centimeters. Okay students, take a radius of 4 centimeters. We draw an arc 4 centimeters. Okay students, look at this. These two arcs not intersect. Now we producing this arc. So this arc is formed by the radius of 6 centimeters. Again we take 6 centimeter radius. We produce it. Okay students, we produce the radius. Okay students, here two arcs intersect with D. Now we joining AD and BD. Okay students, we now note the measurements on the paper. Here AD is 6 centimeter. Next CD is 4 centimeters. Okay students, one triangle was completed. Now the another triangle ABC. Same procedure we follow. We take AB 4.5 centimeters and BC 5.5 centimeters. These two arcs meet with the point of B. Okay students, we take a radius on 4.5 centimeters by using ruler. Okay students, we draw 4.5 centimeter. Okay students, now the next side is BC. The side of BC is 5.5 centimeters. We take 5.5 centimeter radius and it locate on B and draw an arc of 5.5 centimeters. These two arcs intersect. We locate a point on B. Okay students, we joining the side of BC and AB. This is our required quadrilateral students. Here AB is 4.5 centimeters and now BC is 5.5 centimeters. Okay students, this is our required quadrilateral of a given measurements. Okay students, after completion of this construction, we note down the construction points. How do we draw it? By stepwise. First, we draw a diagonal AC 7 centimeters. Now, we take a radius 6 centimeters and draw an arc. And another, we take a radius of 4 centimeters. We draw another arc. These two arcs intersect a point. That point is noted on D. Now these two are joining here, AD and CD. AD and CD. One triangle is formed. Now the next triangle, here the side of AB is 4.5 centimeter. We take a radius of 4.5 centimeters and draw an arc. Now the next side, BC, the radius is 5.5 centimeters. We draw another arc. These two arcs intersect with each other and intersecting point is there. We put that point is B. Okay students. Now these two we join a line segments AB and BC. AB and BC. Finally, our required quadrilateral is there. Okay students, are you understand? Okay students, now the third situation is 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 3 sides and 2 diagonals. In these 3 sides and 2 diagonals, how to construct a quadrilateral? Okay students, we discussed how to construct a quadrilateral by giving 3 sides and 2 diagonals. First, we write the measurements. Here, PQ equal to 4.2 centimeters, QR 3 centimeters, PS equal to 2.8 centimeters, PR is equal to 4.5 centimeters, and finally QS equal to 5 centimeters. Okay students, in any situation compulsory we need 5 measurements. 5 measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 measurements we draw a quadrilateral uniquely. Okay students, first we draw a rough sketch of these given measurements. Here PQ is 4.2 centimeters. The quadrilateral name is PQRS. We take an anti-clockwise direction. Here PQ equal to 4.2 centimeters. Next QR is equal to 3 centimeters. Next PS equal to 2.8 centimeters. PR it is diagonal. PR 4.5 centimeters. And now the another diagonal QS is 5 centimeters. QS is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Okay students, this is the rough diagram of a given problem. Okay students, now we go for the main sketch. Here the base PQ is 4.2 centimeters. Okay students, we draw a line segment is 4.2 centimeters. We put a point on 0 and another point is 4.2. We draw a line segment of these 2 points. Here this point is P, this point is Q. The length of this side is 4.2 centimeters. Okay students, next we go for the side of QR. Here QR is 3 centimeters. Now we take a radius of 3 centimeters by using ruler or scale. We take a center on Q and draw an arc of 3 centimeters. Okay students, here QR is 3 centimeters. Now these 2 points intersect QR and PR. Now we take the side of diagonal is 4.5 centimeters. We take a radius 4.5 centimeters and we locate it P and draw an arc. Okay students, these 2 arcs are intersect. The intersecting point is R. The intersecting point is R. Now we join a line QR and PR. QR and PR. So we note the measurements. PQ is 3 centimeters and PR is 4.5 centimeters. Okay students, now the another side PS is 2.8 centimeters. Again we take a ruler and make 2.8 centimeter arc. Locate it on P and draw an arc. Okay students, now this point S, we intersect the side of PC and QS. Here the side of QS is 5 centimeters. We take a radius of 5 centimeters. Here QS, we locate it on Q. We draw an arc. These 2 arcs intersecting point is S. Now we join point P and S and S and R. S and R, and here QS is 6 centimeters. Now we write it. PS is 2.8 centimeters and QS is 5 centimeters. Okay students, this is our required quadrilateral PQRS. Here first we draw a baseline, that is PQ 4.2 centimeters. Next we take a radius 3 centimeters and draw an arc of 3 centimeters. And now we take a diagonal PR. Here PR is 4.5 centimeters. We draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. These two arcs intersect and meet a point of R. Here now joining QR and PR. Now the another side. Here PS is 2.8 centimeters. We draw a line segment. Next QS is 5 centimeters. We draw another arc. These two arcs are intersecting a point of S. Now joining P and S and R and S and Q. Okay students, this is our required quadrilateral PQRS. Now we write the. Okay students, in this session, in this chapter quadrilaterals, we have discussed the definition of quadrilaterals and the properties of quadrilaterals and the classification of quadrilaterals. Now in exercise 3.1, we draw a first situation, that is 4 sides and 1 angle. Now the second exercise is 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. And now the third exercise is 3 sides, 2 diagonals are given. In these 3 situations, how to draw a quadrilateral we discussed in this session. Now the next exercises 3.5, 3.4 and 3.5. These 2 exercises were deleted in last year. So only students, these 3 situations will learn how to construct a quadrilateral. In first situation, the question is 4 sides. What are the 4 sides? PQ 4.5 centimeters, QR 3 centimeters and PQR is 60 centimeters. Here 2 sides are given. PQ is 4.5 centimeters, QR is 3 centimeters. We have a doubt. Here the board is only 2 sides are there. But the situation is comes under 4 sides and 1 angle. But we look at this type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Here PQ or yes, here PQ 4.5 and QR 3 centimeters. What about remaining these 2 sides? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here PQ is 4.5. So SR is also 4.5 centimeters. Here QR is 3 centimeters and PS is also 3 centimeters. We need 5 sides are there. PQ, QR, RS and SP. These 4 sides and 1 angle we draw a quadrilateral. Now the second question, quadrilateral PQRS with PQ is 3.5 cm, QR is 4 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 4.5 centimeters and QS is 6.5 centimeters. This type of problem comes under 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Already we solved, we drawn how to solve this type of problem. Now the third one, quadrilateral gold. Here OL is 7.5 centimeters, GL is 6 centimeters, LD is 5 centimeters and DZ is 5.5 centimeters and last final measurement OD equal to 10 centimeters. Here 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. How to draw this type of quadrilateral we will learn in this session. Okay students, these 3 situations comes under these 3 problems. These 3 problems we do the homework. If you have any doubt, we ask your teachers. Okay students, do the homework daily and watch online classes daily. Please utilize this opportunity students. Thank you.